Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Sarap. Today in this video tutorial, we will be diving into a common task, how to rename a column in PostgreSQL using code. So without further ado, let's jump right in. To rename a column in PostgreSQL, we will be using alter table statement. Let's take a look at the code. First, let's connect to our PostgreSQL database using the PSSQL command line tool. For that, you can use this command PSSQL, then option capital U, specify the username, then option D, specify the database name. Now let's use our alter table statement to rename the column. Here is the syntax for the command: alter table, table name, rename column, old column name to a new column name. In this command, make sure to replace the table name with the name of your table, old column name with the existing column name, and the new column name with the desired new column name. Now let's see how this works in action. Let's say we have a table called employees and we want to rename the column emp name to full name. For that, let's execute the alter table command to rename the column. After executing the query, we have successfully renamed the column in our employees table. That's all there is to. Renaming a column in PostgreSQL is as simple as using an alter table statement and specifying the old and new column names. It's a powerful feature that allows us to update our database schema while maintaining our data integrity. Remember, it's always a good practice to make a backup of your database before making any changes, especially in a production environment. I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial on how to alter or rename a table in PostgreSQL. So at last, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.